So welcome to our channel Svas Biology. Already we completed 80 questions from last year NEET biology questions. Last year 2020 NEET biology questions. So in this video we will complete the entire last 10 questions. First question number 81. Match the trophic levels with the correct species examples in the grassland ecosystem. So option 1, fourth trophic level, second, first, third. So you have to match here. Right. In this match, 2 is the correct answer. So the fourth trophic level is 2, vulture. Then B, second trophic level is rabbit. C, the first trophic level is grass. So producer is the first primary trophic level. Then third trophic level is crow. So the option is 2. So next question number 82. According to Robert May, the global species diversity is about option 1, 7 million, 2, 1.5 million, 3, 20 million, 4, 50 million. So actually answer is 7 million is according to Robert May. Question number 83. Montreal Protocol was signed in the year of 1987 for the control of option 1, disposal of e-waste, option 2, transport of genetically modified organisms from one country to another country, option 3, emission of ozone depleting substances, then option 4, releasing of greenhouse gases. Right. So the correct option is emission of ozone depleting substances. For the control of, actually the Montreal Protocol is signed the control of emission of ozone depleting substances. Next question number 84. Snow blindness in Antarctic region is due to damage to retina caused by infrared rays. Then option 2, freezing of fluids in the eye by low temperature. Option 3, inflammation of cornea due to high dose of ultraviolet B radiation. Then option 4, high reflect of light from snow. The right option is 3. Inflammation of cornea due to high dose of ultraviolet B radiation. Next question number 85. The presence of which of the following condition in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus? Option 1, renal calculi, hyperglycemia. Option 2, uremia, ketonuria. Option 3, uremia, renal calculi. And option 4, ketonuria, glycosuria. So right option is in this fourth one is the correct answer. Ketone bodies in the urine, and glucose bodies in the urine. So that is the right option. Fourth one is the correct answer. Next question number 86. Match the following regarding in the biotechnology. Option A, Bacillus thuringiensis, Thermosocotics, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, then Salmonella typhimurium. So these are the organisms. So uses of these organisms. So right option is 3. For A, fourth one, Bacillus thuringiensis is used to produce cry proteins. Then Thermosocotics is used to produce, actually from Thermosocotics we are getting DNA polymerase enzyme. Then option C, Agrobacterium tumefaciens acting as a cloning vector. And fourth one, Salmonella typhi is used to construct of first recombinant DNA, typhimurium. So the correct option is 3. Next question number 87. Match the following column 1 with column 2. Eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils, lymphocytes. So these are the blood cells. Then match the column 2. So in this the correct option is 2. Eosinophil generally release histamine, destructive enzyme. Then B, basophils release granules containing histamine. The neutrophil involve phagocytic function. Then lymphocytes lymphocyte involved in immune response. Next question number 88. Match the column with the diseases. Causative organism and disease. Typhoid is caused by, you know that Salmonella type. Pneumonia is caused by Haemophilus. Then filaria is caused by Wuchereria pancreati. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. So the correct option is three. So third one is the correctly matched. Next question number 89. Match the column and select the option. Bt cotton, adenosine deaminase, then RNA interference, PCR. So the correct option is 2. So A, Bt cotton. Actually, this Bt cotton is used to Bacillus thuringiensis. That is very useful to Bt cotton. Then B, adenosine deaminase deficiency. So it can be corrected using gene therapy. Then RNA interference, cellular defense. It will be used in the cellular defense. Then PCR, detection of HIV infection. It can be used in PCR. Next question number 90. Bt cotton variety that was developed by introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis is resistant to insect predators, insect pest, fungal disease, plant nematodes. Actually, the correct option is this gene, toxin gene, is used against insect pest. So second one is the correct answer. Thank you. So we completed all the biology questions last year. 2020 biology questions has been completed now. So next we will meet in the next video. If you like my channel, subscribe.